I don't want to make this a separate video because we like this juice so much. Now this is the best juice at the Cambodia Markets. This is a young lady we saw 3 years ago when she was a lot smaller and she was learning to speak English, and now she speaks really good English. Her mum is crook though, which is really sad, and she's had some operations, so she's not here. But the young girl and her dad are. I've got a picture. There you go. Does that look about the same? Does that look about the same a few years later? Let's see if she remembers. Remember? She was saw it.
Yes, that's me.
That's you. There you go. Still speak good English still? Study English? Yeah?
I'm learning by talking to other people like from other countries.
Yeah?
Indian, Pakistan, and Belgium. Like I have so many friends from the other apps.
Yeah? That's good.
I'm talking to them every day like to improve the English.
That's good. Talking every day.
That's what I'm doing.
Where's your mum?
She got sick. She cannot.
Oh, she can't come here. She's sick. Oh, that's no good.
Like I don't know how to say, but she can't sit or walk. Like she just sleeping on the bed.
Oh, it's no good. Sounds like she's really crook. Now we're just going to find the video. So YouTube. Bingo. Kandal, Kandal, Kandal. Here. There you go. There you go. Watch later. Now this is the one here. Take that, I think. And you can, if you don't have cash, you can pay through this app here, which is really good. The juice is very refreshing. Here's Kinal doing an advertisement for the refreshing juice. What a horrible acting skills. Now let's just have a look at the production line. So the oranges are cut, they're peeled, then she cuts them, twists it in half. And the stuff goes in it, the wastage goes over here, and the pips go here.
Hello.
Check out the production line. Check out the bulk buy. Big plastic bottles of water. Massive jug of juice. Let's have a look at the old man's doing. He's on filling and securing duties. Hello? Look at that. What an expert pour. No spill. Oh, I spoke too soon. Spill a little bit. Look at that. There's a lot of labour that goes into this juice. And we've ordered 10, so they have to work really hard for it. It's a good pourer. I couldn't pour like that. Good skills. Oh, just give you some ice too, so they'll get cold by the time we get home. And Bong Yang, what's she taking? One orange? Free orange. Buy 10 juice, get one orange free. Correct?
Not correct, but I asked.
Oh, you asked?
Yeah, for free bottle. I said no.
Yeah. Get one free groid.
Yeah, get the groid and shut up.
How much was 10 juices?
On my own,
Yeah, we don't need
Much?
Yeah.
$12.50.
$12.50.
5,000 Riel each.
5,000 Riel each. That's it. So this here is the best juice in Kandal. And I'm going to get a photo with a young lady and then show her YouTube so she can see herself again. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Oh yes, good one.
Refreshing.
What refreshing.
Like from Curve Enthusiast. The Susie.
Susie.